This is an interesting co-challenge for white. It seems like black has a good position here in the corner. It's about to make two eyes very easily, but its eye shape here is a little broken. So white might want to try this move, but it doesn't work. Black can actually play right here. If white simply pushes and connects, then this is plenty of eye space for black to live. It would be something like this. This seems like a good move, but similarly, black can play right here. And when white plays at number 3, it seems like a fancy move because black cannot cut here, but black can Atari here. And this way, if white stands down here, black will just have enough liberties on the left to capture white. So that is why white probably wants to play this move. But let's try this first. This is also very easy to eliminate because black can live by playing here at number 2. And black will be able to make 2 real eyes, like this. So let's talk about this throw in, right? If white throws in here and black captures, then white will be able to play this move. And now when white stands down, black cannot enter from either side, and black will be dead. And of course, if black tries something like this, then white will be able to connect back by clamping here at number 5. Black will also die this way. So that's why number 1 is actually a good move. Number 2 captures here. What if number 2 connects here? Now white can simply play this, right? Capturing this stone and still kill black this way or this way. Pretty easy. So where's the code in this problem? The code is actually for black to make. And that's what's really funny about this problem. Black needs to play right here. And white captures first. So it's a very good code for white to play because white gets to capture first. But can white potentially kill black after number 2? Right? That should be on our mind. And no, because this is already pretty strong shape. If you try this, black will play right here. If white captures, then black will live this way. So number 3 doesn't really work. So that's why capturing here at number 3, and of course, if black connects, this is not going to be enough eye space. Even after number 6, this is not going to be enough eye space. So white will have to play through the ko after number 3. Does it have a local ko threat? Maybe, right here. Now white probably want to connect here. It's good for the points. You're saving both 1 and 3, and black will play here, and white can play right here, right? This is going to be another ko. White cannot kill black cleanly. So white will play another ko, and this time black will have no local ko threats because this is already an Atari. So this is one way the ko plays out. Doesn't really help black, I guess, to play at number 4. So black is probably better off finding a ko threat elsewhere. Overall, a pretty neat problem, pretty interesting. Make sure you spend enough time on this and figure out all the variations. And please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.